Hi hustlers, you're welcome to Miracle Hustle channel. But before I start today's video, I would want you to watch a video from this channel.
I am sure. I am sure. I'm
The video is funny and engaging, right? Have you ever wondered how these YouTube creators earn a monthly revenue of $1,000 to $4,000 monthly on their channel? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this free stick cartoon, and you don't need to spend any money on any software, or you don't need to acquire a skill to start creating this free stick animation. Plus, these free tools I will mention in this video is available for everyone all over the world. I believe you have seen this kind of shots on YouTube and on TikTok, and this type of content does not fail when it comes to getting a lot of views and subscribers. Big channel who is using this basic animation to get a lot of views and subscribers to their channel is Rico Animations. Another channel that I've used this free stick animation to get a lot of views and subscribers to their channel is DuckTales. So these are the free tools to use to create these beautiful free stick animations. One is ChatGPT, 2 is 11 Labs, 3 is Capcut, and 4 is Adobe Express. To start creating your free stick animation, go to ChatGPT to create a script for the story you are about to tell. Go to ChatGPT and type a prompt for the story you want to tell, if it's horror story or a fun skit, whatever you want to tell the audience. Go to ChatGPT and do that.
Hi everyone, we are going to ask ChatGPT to write 100 hilarious joke for a project. So ChatGPT is already generating our prompt.
Now to create an audio or a voiceover for your video, use 11 Labs. So I noticed that TTS Maker and 11 Labs is no longer working for me after I finished creating my first voiceover. So I'm currently using Voice Maker to make my voiceover. So this is an example
Knock.
of what's available to
Let us in. It's freezing out here. Knock. Let us in. It's freezing out here.
Then use Capcut to combine and edit your video. Now the number one tool that you can use to create this animation is Adobe Express. Go to Google Play Store and download Adobe Express. Once you have downloaded it, sign in to Adobe Express with your Gmail. Click on register. After you have finished registering, click on the plus icon and select Animate from audio. Then you can select the options available. Click on the stick cartoon to start creating your video. To start using Adobe Express to create your free stick cartoon, click on Animate from audio. So from here, we can change the background to transparent, to white, to black, or to any other color of our choice. Since we are uploading this stick cartoon for a short, we will choose the real short format or the YouTube short format, which is 9:16. Click on character. From here you can change character. You can select young people, you can select animals or any character that you want to. But for our tutorial we will stick to tuned characters. So the next thing we'll do here is to select our audio, click on download, and boom, the video is ready.
What do you call an alligator in a vest? An investigator. Why did the math book look sad? Because it had too many problems. What's orange and sounds like a parrot? A carrot. Why couldn't the bicycle stand up by itself? It was too tired.
Keep doing what you love, hustlers. Consistency is the key. If you try every day, you won't miss a lucky day.
All the tools that I've mentioned in this video will be in the description, so feel free to use it. Before you skip this video, I have a prize for you. But before I do that, I noticed that 99% of you have not subscribed to this channel. Please subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification so that anytime I drop a new video, you will get notified. Also, drop a comment for me in the comment section so that I will know if this video is valuable to you. The gift that I'm giving to you is you can use TTS Maker to substitute 11 labs, which is not totally free. So use TTS Maker to create your audio or voice over. TTS Maker is totally free. Thank you for listening. I'm Okafo Ebubichukwu.